Welcome to the SocialBoat Demo. So any influencer or a fitness creator or any fitness enthusiast can come onto SocialBoat's website, check out the game. The game essentially is played in teams. There are different games and as you do workouts in the team, you earn fit points. You start your team, you do daily tasks in the game, you earn fit points, and these fit points help you upgrade your levels and win rewards. So any influencer who logs into SocialBoat can choose. Let's quickly log in. Once you log into SocialBoat, you'll be able to see your teams on the top over here. You'll also be able to see all the games that are running on SocialBoat. So there are two games currently running: the Fat Burner game and the Fittest Runner. You can see broad information about the game. Let's just go to the Fat Burner game. So when I'm on the game, I'm able to see that there are a couple of prizes that I can win. Along with these very cool prizes, there are also different teams that are there in the challenge. We can have a look at teams that are there in the challenge. Along with the teams, I can have a look at the testimonials and so on. Let's quickly start a team. So I click on this, I add a couple of information. Once I add this information, I'll be able to start my team. So once I've created my team and I've shared the link with my friends start joining my team. I can see all my team. I can see my active teams link over here. I can again browse through the different games. Now let's just enter my game. As I enter my team, there are three broad sections: community, leaderboard, and rules. Then the main section of the game is the start workout. Me and my team are supposed to do daily workouts and earn fit points. Let's have a look. So I go to start workout. I can share my daily workout or I can choose from one of these categories. Let's have a look at the cardio category. So in the cardio category, different influencers and creators have created their tasks, which are categorized at different levels, the time it takes, and the number of fit points you can earn by those tasks. You could refer friends, you could do a half at full century ride, you could make an S shape on the map with runners, boxing set, different tasks. So as I look at any task, I also get a sense of, I can watch the video of the creator explaining the task to me. I can also understand how many reps earn how many fit points to me. All I need to do is click on this, submit my entry, and get started. Now that I've submitted my post, all posts that get submitted come in the community section. In the community section, I can check out each user's posts, what have they done. I can go and have a look at their profiles. I can also just browse through and keep checking out the amazing workouts that some of these people have been doing. Along with all of this, I can also, in this section, go to the leaderboard, check out how different teams are performing, how my team is performing, what is the stack ranking of different teams, and how each of these players who are leading this game at an overall level running this program. So games run on a 30-day period, and then there are weekly rewards for each game. I can also go check out each user's progress on the profile section. So now I see Akshay is a level 5 Olympian, and this has been Akshay's progress since he joined the game. These are the different workouts that have been submitted by Akshay. So I can have a look, get inspired, and try to do these workouts as well. I can also have a look at the teams Akshay is a part of, the wins he's a part of, and understand what does it take for me to go from level 1 in the game. Let's have a look at it like this. So any user, when they start, they start at level 0, and with the first workout they reach level 1, and then in the game you have to reach from level 1 to level 5 on as a 30-day rolling period. That is all that you have to aim for, and keep doing these tasks so that you earn fit points and gain social capital and win rewards. This is SocialBoat for you. Look forward to your signing up. Feel free to reach out to us for any queries. Cheers.